All right, guys, I have a really in-depth thought that I need to share with everybody. We all go through life trying to be somebody. We want to influence people, or we just want to have peace. We want to make money. We want to find love, happiness. Every single one of us wants similar things. We go about it different ways because the avenues that we choose, we think is going to give us that peace, that happiness, the joy that we all look for. I, for one, grew up thinking that my parents didn't know anything, that they were just too strict, and they wanted to keep me away from everything that was going to make me happy. So I chose my own path. I left, ran away from home at a very young age, and met a lot of great people, good people and bad people. I chose to surround myself with people that I loved and that I could see had good hearts and had great experiences and have learned from them. In the process, I chose a lot of bad avenues to make a living, to keep myself happy. My heart, in my opinion, was good. Always have cared about people that I'm around, but I have chosen things in my life that have not always been the best, and I haven't always put others before myself. And when I came back to my senses in Louisiana and I realized where my life was headed, I made a decision to give up my company and move back in with my parents to get a good head on my shoulders. And I did. Things went great. I went through a lot of good things, a lot of bad things, but one thing I have learned from this entire experience is that we have to align our heart's desire with truth. We have to surround ourselves with people that believe in similar things. We have to steer away from anything that's going to create drama. I don't care how much of your feelings got hurt in a certain situation. It really does not matter. Every human alive did not wake up and just realize one day that they wanted to hurt people. No human alive woke up and just decided that their life's desire was to bomb somebody or to kill somebody or to just create drama. That's not why we're here. But somewhere along the way, we have been hurt by somebody or something, or we could point fingers all day long, but something hurt us to the core, to where it drove us to do things that we never could have ever imagined that we would do. And then at that point, we start justifying it, right? We're going to say, I'm doing this because of so-and-so or because of this organization, or I was hurt because of this church or this family member, and then we start making our decisions, our bad decisions, blaming it on something in the past. We've all done it. I myself, I've been guilty of that numerous times. Recently, I went through a tragedy in my life, and it still hurts. It's very real. But what I have found is that when I finally gave everything to God, when I finally decided that what He was calling me out of, the business He was calling me out of, I decided to just get rid of that and move full time into the health and fitness industry and actually give God my all and stay away from the things that were bringing me down. I have so much more peace right now, guys. I don't really know how to explain this, but I'm going to talk to you now, okay? Your life can be a testimony to somebody else. The things that you have been through, they're for a reason. All things work together when you love God, okay? The things you're in right now that you're so upset about, they're twisting you to pieces. You're so bitter, okay? You don't have to stay that way. The decision that you already know you need to make, it's going to hurt. It's going to be painful. It's going to be stressful. It's not easy, and that's the reason why you haven't done it yet. But speaking from this personal experience I just went through, once you decide to buckle down and get on that path, you're going to need people to help you. You're going to need people to surround yourself with that have been there and done that before. Otherwise, you're probably not even going to try. But once you make that decision, you surround yourself with people that have been there and done that, are successful in that area. They're going to help you and mentor you and guide you through that entire process. You're going to gain some new confidence. You're going to gain some new peace. You're going to gain some new friends, and your life is going to be completely different. But until you make that decision, you're in bondage. remember this. I love you, okay? And everyone that I come in contact with that has a desire to better themselves and have a better life, I love you too. I love every single human that's alive right now. But until you love yourself and love God, you're going to sit there and wait and wait and wait for nothing to happen. And I'm just going to encourage you right now, if you can buckle down and you can make that decision to make the right steps in the right direction. And you know what? If you want me to pray for you, call me. I'd be glad to pray for you. I'd be glad to send you to the right people. I have connections all over with people that actually truly love others and truly want to help others. And they don't want to backbite. They don't want to talk negative. They want to bring you down. I'm not into that. So if you need help in your life, if there's something that you just desperately are sick and tired of and you don't know how to get around to doing it and you're actually willing to listen, contact me, message me, call me. My number is 832-879-0599. God bless. Y'all have a good day.